Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make chane ki dal gosht in the Instant Pot. This is actually my mom's recipe and I've kind of adapted it to work with the Instant Pot. To start off, we're going to need 2 pounds of goat meat, 1.5 cup of split peas which has been soaked for 2 hours, 1 onion which has been sliced thinly, and for the spices we need 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds, 2 black cardamoms, 1 large piece of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of whole black peppers, half a teaspoon of cloves, and you're also going to need 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. And for the garnish later on, we're going to need 1/4 of that onion that's been sliced and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now, to start off, we're going to set our Instant Pot onto the saute mode. Mine is set on high. And you're going to add your onions and fry them until they're translucent. You want to make sure that you're not browning them and you're only sauteing them until they're just about caramelized. At this point, I'm going to add the goat meat. Give that a good stir. And then also add the salt and ginger garlic paste. I'm going to saute this really well until the meat changes color and is white and no longer pink. At that point, I'm going to add all my spices and give that a really good saute until it begins to kind of start sticking to the bottom of the pot. At that point, you're going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to give that a good stir. And then you can go ahead and close the lid on the Instant Pot and press cancel. Also make sure to seal the vent so that the pressure could build in there. I'm going to set my Instant Pot to manual high pressure for 8 minutes. Once that's done, you're going to allow for a quick pressure release by changing the knob from seal to vent. And I like to keep this glove on top just so that the dangerous steam isn't spurting everywhere. Once the pin has dropped, you can go ahead and open up the Instant Pot. Just checking the quality here, and the meat seems to have been cooked pretty well. You're not going to cook it all the way, only because it's going to cook more in pressure with this split peas I just added. So once you add that in there, you're going to add another 1.5 cups of water. Give that a good stir, and go ahead and close it up again and set your Instant Pot to 2 minutes for manual high pressure. And when it's done, you're going to let the pressure release naturally, which means you are not going to change the setting of the vent. You're going to keep it in sealing position. And for me, it took 29 minutes for that pin to drop. And so once I opened it up, sure enough, my split peas were nice and cooked. They were not completely dissolved into the soup. They were still solid, but when pressed, they were completely cooked through. So that is how it should look, that is how it should be. And at this point we know that the soup is done. On the side, I've got some avocado oil that I'm heating up on medium flame. To that I'm going to add my sliced onion, the 1/4 of a sliced onion. And once it's golden brown, I'm going to add my cumin seeds to it and let this get a little bit more brown. Then I'm going to add it to the chane ki dal gosht. Wait for the sizzle. This is the best part. I also added a handful of fresh coriander leaves for the garnish, and now your chane ki dal gosht is ready to be served. I hope you tried this recipe. Please let me know in the comments below how it went. And please also comment if there's any other type of recipes you'd like to see me make in the Instant Pot. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.